Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I got something kind of cool for you. With all this time stuck at home, I have made some new friends in the technology world, and I've got somebody that I met from Germany. They were helping me fix a printer, and the skills were awesome, and my A10 is working great because of the tips that were shared. And what's super cool is this fellow middle school teacher has also created a YouTube channel, and I got something cool to show you about it. So Chris contacted me at the bottom of one of my videos, asked me a question, and then I bounced the question back and we started getting help. And then he created this channel called 3D Addicted, and I will add a card so that if you want you can check it out and even possibly subscribe. Now what's awesome is when I hit play on this,
und 3D-Druck auseinandersetzen soll.
you'll notice in a heartbeat that Chris is speaking German and I don't. So my friends, what I'm showing you today is that if you've got somebody that's helping you from a different country, you can do this in a heartbeat. If you turn on Captions, notice it is set for German at the moment, but if I switch to auto translate, I can turn these into English captions and actually get a little bit of a clue about the cool printers and stuff that Chris is showing off that he has in his workspace. Alrighty friends, so this is super short and it just shows you how to make it work. Up here will be a little card you can click if you want to check out Chris's channel as well. If you get a chance, give him a listen. Hit those captions so you can learn German unless you already know German, which is possible with some of the students I teach. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.